Hey guys, if you're wondering how to make money with a Skool community, I'm gonna pull out the curtain and show you how I got 20. Let's see here, around 28 paid members in my Skool community. Actually, 22 Skool community paid members in a month, really just by creating content on Instagram and then funneling them to my group, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that for free. And here's the catch. I'm trying to win the Skool game. So if you want to emulate this exact same strategy, please use my affiliate link. You get a 14-day free trial to Skool. And yeah, you'll find out exactly how to get clients using this method. And also, if you want future help, you can, or more help, you can, join the community. But this is exactly how I did it and how you can do. So first, what you're wanting to do is optimize your Instagram. So what I'm doing is called an authority funnel on Instagram. And how I like to think about it, it's the non-salesy way to get high ticket sales. And before I was doing Scale Back Your Time, which is my own coaching community, I was doing this for my consulting firm called Aesthetic Bosses, which was specific to medical aesthetics. And this is how we're generating like 10K days, high ticket days, right? So you can utilize this same framework for, local lead gen if you want to as well. Right? But here's how I'm doing it. One, I am doing what's called an authority funnel, and I am using value-driven content as the ads, and the call to action that I'm doing is the least amount of sales, salesiness possible. Like, we're testing out the call to action of, hey, if you want to know more, just shoot me a follow and scroll through my past content. Hey, if you want access to this free challenge, just click the link in my bio. Hey, if you want to know more, just DM me the word grow and we'll have a chat, right? So to tell you that I'm not lying, I'm going to scroll back to, I'm going to give you two examples. One for, business to business consulting in terms of local lead gen consultant. And then also, the group that I'm running, Scale Back Your Time, which is aimed more towards online agency owners trying to switch to done with you consulting. So they're doing done for you, switching over to done with you, and then also just consultants in general, right? So if I go to one of these pieces of content here, this is straight up value, right? How I took a clinic to 0 to 100K a month. Not like a book here now or 60 booked appointments in 60 days type of deals. The call to action, even the copy you see is like DM me grow to learn more about authority funnels, right? So I would use this as the ad to get, in this instance or this test, DMs, of the word grow. We would have a conversation and I would merely send them my Skool link, which contains a lead magnet. And I'll tell you more about what that is, but you can see here, I'm not like, it's not a forced close or forced sale, which nowadays everyone is not only problem aware, but then they're also solution aware. So your clients, especially if you're doing, a done for you agency work, they know of GHL, they know of agencies. You're probably the 6th, 8th agency that they got on a call with. And when you get on a call, actually you can see here, the call to action was like follow me and scroll through my past content. But when you get on a call, they probably have said to you, hey, you're my 6th agency call. What makes you different, right? And this is how this is how us as online business owners who are in the consulting space or even, done for you agency space, this is how we're overcoming those hurdles and getting high ticket clients and selling them on our services, our high ticket services, before we even say the price, right? An example for coaching and consulting is created this value gem video here. I'm just, telling how my phone at one point was the last thing that I looked at before I went to bed, first thing that I woke up to, because as a stressed out, done for you agency owner, I was just getting on calls with shitty clients. They're sucking my energy, right? It's not worth it. So I focused in on landing whale clients to work less because they pay me more. So DM me time and see how you can escape your agency, right? So that's an avenue. Again, we use paid ads to run our authority funnel, right? We create value-driven content to drive traffic to our Instagram page is a method that we use here. And we teach about this in the Scale Back Your Time group. But that's one of the avenues, right? And then we direct traffic to either the bio, which houses our lead magnet in Skool, or we are having a DM with them, and a genuine one, right? Because we're asking, hey, just DM me the word time or DM me the word grow, and we'll have a chat. Fact-finding questions via the DM, just send them the link, right? And once they get here, the cool thing about Skool is we don't have to mess around with GHL if you choose not to, right? But you can literally use this as a landing page, right? So you can see here, I have a VSL right here on Loom, which you're watching a Loom video recording, where I just tell them what they get in the course, which is a free lead magnet. So in this instance, it's like a 7-day launch challenge where in 7 days, they get this 3-hour course where by the end, they're launching their consulting program, right? Totally for free. So if you really think about it, Alex Hormozi, right? Give everything away for free, sell the implementation, right? Give everything away for free, sell the implementation. So I'm funneling people here into the free group, and backtracking, we're using everything, the about page, as our landing page. So recorded a VSL quickly on what they get, included some testimonials, right? So it's like a compilation of all the testimonials that I've ever gotten. And then also, people.
$114,000 a month right now?
Yes, we are. And I think that
we're, strategically including things that are like, wow them, like $114K a month, right? And it's free. Why wouldn't you? Pro tip, don't just use videos here, because what will happen, and this is based off data from Alex Hormozi himself, is even if you have videos, no one's going to watch it. What they're going to do is they're going to click, right? They're going to watch a little bit of it. Hey guys, and welcome to the Scale Back Your Time challenge. But they're going to be like, oh, what's this, right? Click, click, click. So what I'm saying to you guys is diversify, have videos, but then also images of wins. So 110K a month. And then, kind of outline what this free thing is about. So it makes it a no-brainer for them to even enter into your free group for your free lead magnet, right? And then the copy is just pure sales copy, right? So, an avenue or a strategy is kind of value stacking, right? For any of you who are Russell Brunson fans, like you get this for free valued at $9,000. You get this valued at $3,000. Total value $30,000. Now for $0, right? That's an avenue. The method that I'm currently testing out is more so, story-driven, consultative, where I just say, hey, I ran a 7-figure agency, had no time because I was chained to my business, working from 7 a.m. to 3 a.m., right? No time for my kids. I'm on a mission to get my time back. I only found that through consulting and landing whale clients. My gift to you is a free 7-day challenge where you'll get mentored from me, comprehensive course material, exclusive community access, and proven strategies to launch in 7 days for free, right? No brainer. So, to backtrack, what we've talked about now or since is we're utilizing value-driven ads. So like value-driven content as the ad. We're not even selling anything at this point. We're just giving value. And what you'll find, especially if you're using the call to action of like, hey, just shoot me a follow and scroll through my past content, these are not just vanity metrics anymore. These are your leads, right? And if we're continuously creating content that speaks to our dream clients from top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel perspectives, we're effectively nurturing our list, right? It's no different than, squeeze page on ClickFunnels to nurturing a list, your email list. Like it's the same principle. It's just different modality or different channel, right? So this is our list. This is like landing page 1, right? followers and engagement are our list members, and then we're nurturing them through content, and then we're directing traffic to our free lead magnet, which you can think about this as like maybe an upsell, right? But not really, because it's free, but VSL, telling them what they get, making it no-brainer. In this case, or in my case, I'm using a free group. But one of the key components that I'm using, especially in Skool, that makes it really cool, is membership questions before they even access the free group, so I can appointment set effectively. And my strategy behind this is to get where they are now, to get where they want to be, and then to get their email address so I can nurture them further separately. But the reason why I get where they are now and where they want to be is in the DMs, we could just talk about roadblocks, right? So an example would be, hey, congratulations on getting to 50K a month. I reckon that is really big for you. Like, just curious, are you staying there? What's next for you, right? Traditionally, they would be like, no, 50K a month. I want to go to 80K a month, right? So now we're probing, but you already have this information, right? So now you can strategically say, okay, cool. Well, what's stopping you from hitting 80K a month yourself right now, right? Talk about the roadblocks, identify the roadblocks through fact-finding questions. Again, all in the DMs. And because we've nurtured them through, your Instagram page, through top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom of funnel content, here I would classify this as like long form, middle of funnel content, right? Because it's VSL of sorts. We can address those roadblocks to hitting their goals, and then as we position ourselves as the solution to their pain points, we can be, okay, cool. Well, if you had a framework to get affluent clients with discretionary income, it would make it impossible for you to hit 80K a month. Would you agree? Yes. Cool. Let's set up an appointment, right? That's an avenue that I've taken, especially when I was growing my medical aesthetic coaching firm, and how I'm getting, or how I closed high ticket sales. And again, I just posted this in my own group, like, my Stripe account, which I'm kind of against, but it seems to rally online business owners just to see it. So did it anyway, 10K in one day. But for the scale back your time for coaching and consultants, how I'm getting back my own time is, one, building relationships, but then as they are entered into the free group, right, they consume the content. I give away this free module 1 for free, and if they want to know more, they have to go to the paid group to learn about more stuff. But how I'm funneling them in without necessarily getting on sales calls is what's called a virtual consult. So if they want to book their free one-on-one consulting call, it's taken to like an interactive survey where one qualifies them. And if they are qualified, they can book an appointment with me to either sell the low ticket premium group. And as of right now, it's like $97 for me, or directly to one-on-one coaching and consulting, which is upwards of like $6,000 to $8,000, right? So this is how I'm getting people into my paid group. And right now, this is the low ticket one, and you can see here it's 22 paid members, $1,400. It was at $67. Now I just raised the price to $97. But this is how I'm funneling in people to my Skool group, free community, how am I setting them up to paid, by just really creating content, right? And you can argue, hey, aren't you promoting a call? Like you're getting on sales calls. You're not just creating content, but kinda, right? I'm utilizing a virtual consult where, here I will just put in my information here, some dummy information. So don't blow me up. Hey, thanks for doing that. Nice to put a face to the name. Off the bat, why'd you even join this community? Right, so it's like an interactive thing where they can... Okay, well, off the record, is there anything else that motivated you to join this community? right? So they can, leave a video, they could leave a text, they could leave a voice note. And at the end, if they're qualified, then they're able to book an appointment. But if they're not able, right? So now, at least what I found, doing this route, so like authority funnel on Instagram to free lead magnet, right, to like virtual consult, it's not so much like a sales call anymore. It's more so like a onboarding call where we're just taking payment and then we're setting them up, right? So this is exactly how I'm, utilizing SKOOL and how I got how many did I get? 22 paid group members by just creating content, which is what I want for myself anyway, right? I've done the whole 7-figure agency thing, chained to my business, working 7 a.m. to 3 a.m., which is ultimately why I created Scale Back Your Time. But this is my own version, guys, so obviously adopt this for yourselves, but this is the best way that I've found to get back my time and build a business around my lifestyle and leverage a business that I actually love to get back my time, is just focusing on creating content and giving immense value and doing things, setting up systems and processes where content is what's selling my services for my low ticket pay community and for my high ticket consulting services. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you want to, do this for yourself, consider joining the free Scale Back Your Time program. Again, it literally a free course on how to launch, right? But I would ask you, if you do get value from this and if you do want to create your own SKOOL community, please use my affiliate link, right? I get a kickback, and for the people that do use my affiliate link, I have a special bonus for you in the premium group, right? If you so choose to join up. So there it is. Hopefully you learned something and hopefully you got some value. And if you do, consider subscribing and leaving me a like. It really helps out the channel and helps out, grow the community. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Peace.